My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-ups that are related to the site Tiwohi.online. Tiwohi.online is a malicious site that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them pretty scared about the condition of their computers in order to force them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by Tiwohi.online, don't ever interact with them. Don't install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. Simply leave this page. I also recommend that you carefully research the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.